procesul de dialog dintre Chișinău și Comrat sunt studiate practicile europene de funcționare a autonomiilor teritoriale.
Practice of European states and how they apply basically international standards in their domestic context is very important, especially when it comes to the institutes such as territorial autonomy.
So South Tyrol is a border area. It is located in the very north part of Italy. It borders to Austria and to Switzerland, and it's not far away also from Germany. Because of historical reasons, it has a territorial autonomy in place today. South Tyrolian autonomy today is based on many negotiations during the 50s and the 60s that actually then resulted in the basic autonomy law of South Tyrol. This is a constitutional law of the year 1972, and this constitutional law is a set of provisions. It's more than 100 provisions that set up a power sharing system within the subnational unit of South Tyrol. And this means that basically in South Tyrol, the language groups that live there share the power.
În prezent, autonomia extinsă a Tirolului de Sud prevede un sistem de cote lingvistice, prin care se asigură o împărțire proporțională a posturilor publice între germani și italieni. De asemenea, grupurilor lingvistice le este garantată educația în limba maternă, inclusiv a vorbitorilor de limbă ladină.
To establish all these things, to put basically into practice what is written in the 1972 Basic Law of South Tyrol, a joint commission was established. This joint commission is composed of representatives from South Tyrol and representatives from the central authorities, so from Rome, and it also composed of representatives that are of German mother tongue and representatives that are of Italian mother tongue. They were sitting together for many years to write down implementing legislation.
Și după zeci de ani de discuții, dialog și căutare de compromisuri, dialogul dintre autoritățile centrale de la Roma și administrația autonomiei din nordul Italiei continuă. Insulele Aland, Finlanda, reprezintă o provincie autonomă și demilitarizată a Finlandei. Regiunea este compusă din aproximativ 6500 de insule și are o istorie bogată.
The Åland Islands, which are in between Finland and Sweden in the Baltic Sea, they were part of the Swedish kingdom until 1809, and at this point Sweden lost Finland and Åland to Russia. And then later, when Finland became independent from Russia in 1917, there was a dispute arising between Finland and Sweden about the islands where they would belong to, because the Ålanders, who are Swedish speakers, they wanted to go back to the former motherland of Sweden. So there was not a violent conflict, but the tensions were enough to put this issue on the table of the League of Nations.
În prezent, insulele Aland au propriul parlament și guvern, iar suedeza este singura limbă oficială, deși Finlanda este un stat bilingv, cu finlandeza și suedeza ca limbi oficiale.
And that there is an autonomy act which can only be amended by both the Parliament of Finland and the Parliament of the Åland Islands. One interesting body which I'd like to highlight, it's the Åland Delegation, which is a body that is composed of representatives of both the state and the autonomy, and they have an important role in legislative control and also in the economic calculations.
Atât experiența insulelor Aland, cât și cea a Tirolului de Sud demonstrează că dialogul, delimitarea competențelor și găsirea compromisurilor sunt vitale pentru asigurarea unei autonomii funcționale.
And if you look at these two autonomies, we could see that they quite successfully managed to live these communities in peace and thrive within Italy and Finland. This is, I think, extremely for Moldova. I think that's the main lesson also in the context of the wider European integration, having basically well-functioning public administration, and all the subnational levels are working well together. So that's and there is enough capacity for that. I think that's a key.